The ocean, a vast and mysterious realm, covers more than 70% of our planet's surface. Beneath its surface lies a magical world, teeming with life. Coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, are among the most diverse and vibrant ecosystems on Earth. Imagine a world of vibrant colors, intricate formations, and a dazzling array of life. This is the world of the coral reef. Coral reefs are built by tiny animals called polyps. These creatures secrete calcium carbonate, forming hard skeletons that create the reef structure. Over centuries, these structures grow, providing a home for countless marine species. Fish, sharks, turtles, and invertebrates all rely on coral reefs for food, shelter, and breeding grounds. The variety of life found in coral reefs is astounding. From the smallest of invertebrates to the largest of predators, these ecosystems support a web of life that is both complex and interconnected. The health and survival of each species depend on the delicate balance of the reef ecosystem. Coral reefs are home to an incredible diversity of fish species. Brightly colored parrotfish graze on algae, while sleek reef sharks patrol the waters. Delicate seahorses cling to corals, camouflaged among the branches. Schools of tiny fish, like shimmering jewels, dart through the water. Invertebrates, too, are found in abundance on coral reefs. Sea stars, urchins, and crustaceans play vital roles in maintaining the health of the reef. Crabs and shrimps scavenge for food, while octopuses and squid use their intelligence and agility to hunt. The symphony of life on a coral reef is a sight to behold. Fish dart through coral branches, their scales shimmering in the sunlight. Invertebrates crawl and swim, their movements a graceful ballet. Every inch of the reef teems with life, a testament to the biodiversity of these ecosystems. Coral reefs are not just beautiful, they are also incredibly important to the health of our planet. They protect coastlines from erosion by acting as natural barriers against waves and storms. This protection is vital for coastal communities and infrastructure. Coral reefs also play a crucial role in supporting fisheries. Many commercially important fish species rely on coral reefs for part of their life cycle. The loss of coral reefs would have devastating consequences for fish populations and the livelihoods of those who depend on them. Tourism is another industry that benefits from coral reefs. Millions of people each year visit coral reefs to snorkel, dive, and witness the beauty of these underwater worlds. This tourism brings valuable income to many coastal communities. Section 4. The reefs in peril. Sadly, coral reefs are facing unprecedented threats. Climate change is one of the most significant dangers. Rising ocean temperatures cause corals to bleach, expelling the symbiotic algae that give them their color and provide them with food. Pollution from land-based sources is another major threat. Runoff from agriculture, sewage, and industrial activities can damage coral reefs by introducing excess nutrients, sediments, and toxins into the water. Overfishing and destructive fishing practices, such as using dynamite or cyanide, also damage coral reefs. These practices can destroy coral structures, deplete fish populations, and disrupt the delicate balance of the ecosystem. Section 5. A global threat. The decline of coral reefs is a global problem. It is estimated that we have already lost a significant percentage of the world's coral reefs, and the threats they face are only increasing. The consequences of losing these vital ecosystems would be dire. Coastal communities would lose their natural protection from storms and erosion, leading to increased flooding and damage. Fisheries would collapse, impacting food security and livelihoods. The loss of biodiversity would have ripple effects throughout the ocean, disrupting food webs and ecological processes. The future of coral reefs and the countless species that depend on them hangs in the balance. The time to act is now. We must address the threats facing coral reefs and work to protect these vital ecosystems for future generations. Section 6. Our duty to the ocean. We can all play a role in protecting coral reefs. Reducing our carbon footprint is crucial to mitigating climate change. We can do this by using energy more efficiently, reducing our reliance on fossil fuels and supporting renewable energy sources. Supporting sustainable fishing practices is also important. Choosing sustainably sourced seafood, avoiding single-use plastics, and properly disposing of waste can all help to reduce the pressure on coral reefs. Educating ourselves and others about the importance of coral reefs and the threats they face is crucial. By raising awareness, we can inspire action. Section 7. A future for coral reefs. The future of coral reefs may seem bleak, but there is still hope. Scientists, conservationists, and communities around the world are working tirelessly to protect and restore these vital ecosystems. Innovative approaches, such as coral gardening and reef restoration projects, are showing promise. Marine protected areas where fishing and other activities are restricted can provide a safe haven for coral reefs to recover and thrive. By working together, we can create a future where coral reefs continue to flourish, supporting biodiversity and providing essential ecosystem services for generations to come. The fate of coral reefs is in our hands. Let us act with urgency and determination to protect these underwater wonders, ensuring that future generations can marvel at their beauty and benefit from the vital services they provide.